How to delete all likes on Instagram. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete and remove all of your likes on Instagram quickly and safely. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android and log in to your account. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right. From there, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right to open the menu. Now tap on Accounts Center. Inside Account Center, go to Your Information and Permissions. You'll find this option between Personal Details and Add Preferences. From here, tap on Your Activity across Meta Technologies. Then tap on Clear Previous Activity. Next, choose the profile you want to clear activity for. Once selected, tap on Clear, which is highlighted in blue at the top. You'll see a confirmation message, just confirm it. And that's it. Your previous activity, including likes, will be cleared. That's all you need to do. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.